Welcome to another video on this old car. Now, this old car is not the Ranchero, as you may be able to tell. This is my in-laws' Saturn. My mother-in-law got this car because they needed something decent, reliable, and with good gas mileage. I'm not sure of the specs on it, model or year. Saturns weren't ever really something I spent a lot of time studying over, other than my parents had a Saturn when I was in high school. So let's take a look around. Some bad body work down there. Probably just take that off. The fact of it's only being held on by a bungee cord. This vehicle, if you can tell from the tow points there and there, seems to have been somebody with an RV's tow behind vehicle. The current issue that needs to be addressed most immediately is that it is having problems remaining cool, overheating, running hot. So our first inquiry into this is going to be to change out the thermostat. And that is our new puppy, Domino ... Full name's Domino. We call her ... except for my son Eli, who refuses to shorten anyone's name, so she'll be Domino to him. Cute. ... Say hello to YouTube. Arf. Well, thanks again for tuning in, all 7 of you now. We'll bring you some updates on this vehicle as we get to working on it. Remember to check out Patreon. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.